Hey guys, welcome back. So here's video 3 of the build, and this is after completing everything from bag A and B, all the way up to the last assembling the diff. Got the rear arms, bulkhead, and the whole front end. It was a little interesting to build. I never really looked at the old ones close enough to see how this was all assembled as far as the back arms, and of course the front, that was different, but easy to do. Just different in the back with the diff. You got to use super glue on the ball plates, the ball diff. So, but other than that, it went pretty simple. This is what you expect to have after completing step 20. I'm sorry, step 18, 19, 20. Yeah, step 20. So the next one is 21, and that's going to be on assembling the rest of the diff, the sides for the belt. So. But that's it. That's what you're going to expect to see after step 20, finishing bags A and B. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll keep continuing on with the builds until it's done. All right. Thanks, guys.